Hi devs, welcome back. So let's continue with this project. We are gonna do now our items module. So let's go. As you remember, we finished our employees module. So now let's do our items module. We have created already the files, but we don't have any code on them, our blades. Let's start with our index. As you remember, we have to extend from our layout file. And let's add a section. Well, I'll just copy this one because it's pretty much the same that we have in the other files for our extra CSS. Okay guys, I just copied the items, well, our employees index, and just changed a few things, you know, the items, because it's pretty much the same. We have a data table, but with this, in this case, we have only a name, type, and the actions, you know, for delete and edit. We're gonna have our items, but we need to create our controller because here we are not gonna have anything at all. So let's go and use the console to see. Usb artisan make controller. Let's create our items controller, and we're gonna do it resource. Okay, we now have our, let's run the server. So here we have our items controller. So here we are gonna get our items from our database. So let's create items and let's get all of them. And return to the view items.index. Let's pass the array with our items. We also need to add some more code here. Models item. We're gonna use db as well here, so let's add it already. We need to add to our root resource. This is gonna be items controller. Okay, we also gonna need this one as well, so let's just copy this and change it for our items and here items controller. Yep, that will be it. This one, let's just erase this. we will need that code. Okay, let's go back to our index, but we are gonna need to our create. So let's do the same. Let's just I'm just gonna copy and paste some code. Okay guys, this is pretty much the same as we did on our employees controller. Just a few fields, you know, new item. We have an input for our name, another one for our serial number, another one for the type of our item. This form is just gonna go to our store in our items controller. So let's do that one. We need to do our create function first, so we can see this display. So let's just return view, and this one is gonna be items dot create. That's pretty much it. And here we're gonna create item equals to let's create an object item. This one, it's gonna be name request, sorry, request name item serial number equals to request serial number. And last one, item serial type. Request type and item. Save. That'll be it. And return redirect root items index. That's pretty much it. Let's now do our edit. That it's gonna be almost the same as our create. So let's just copy that one and add some code. Control A, Control C, Control B. Let's just change this a little bit to edit and edit item. Here we're gonna have item name item serial number and type. Item type. Yeah, and here we gonna have to change this, and we need to pass our ID. Item ID. That's pretty much it for now. Let's go back to our controller, and now let's go to our edit function. Item find or fail by ID, and return view items dot edit and item. Let's go to our update function. We're gonna have item and as well item find or fail by ID, and we're gonna have just the same as this one, so let's copy. I forgot here parentheses, and then paste it here, and item update, and return just this one as well. Let's just copy and paste it.